on the part of the House of Representatives to act on the first three complaints is not a matter of discretion. It should have been done, but they never did that. They dilly-dallied, and they waited for the fourth complaint at the last hour before they entertained, in a flash, in a blitzkrieg fashion, this fourth complaint. So if you will base it on Francisco versus House of Representatives, Gutierrez versus House of Representatives, the fourth complaint would have no legal basis anymore. Okay? Second point, the verification requirement. If you will read Article 11 of Section 3 of the 1987 Constitution, if they base it on Section 5, that if they have the one-third vote of the House of Representatives, please read it in the 1987 Constitution, that in case the verified complaint, so meaning, before you talk about trial in the Senate forthwith, you must see to it that there was proper verification, because the law Constitution requires in case of verified complaint. So we must determine, therefore, as to whether or not there was proper verification that was conducted